Ozempic.
Weight loss drug.
Ozempic.
Research.
There's a lot of wrong information and fear mongering that goes on social media. We all know that, right? And I am headed for a 2-day scientific conference, and I thought, why not vlog the entire process so that you also see what are the kind of conversations that happen on actual scientific forums. And that will help you differentiate between right information and when somebody says, oh, research says it, but it's actually wrong. So yeah, come along with me, and I'm very excited for this Nerd Fest.
We normally have first hit of calcification that we are predisposed to calcification because of expression of oxygen molecules such as that's how it begins. And it this was upgraded to some 8.
There are still a few people who are promoting GLP as a weight loss. What is your opinion about it?
Cravings may come back, weight may come back. When people lose, they don't lose just the fat in all the right places. They can lose muscle. You could also lose a lot of fat in the face, start looking somewhat gaunt and older. It should be, carefully deployed. Always diet and exercise, because you can eat what you want, just takes these medicines, it'll keep it down. It won't work. So food is someone very famous said, what makes people overweight is what gives them diabetes, which is food.
The lifestyle modification cannot be substituted by these molecules. Both dietary restriction as well as the exercise should be taken care. Obesity is not a one-time disease or it's a one-time issue, it's a relapsing disease. So it should be considered as a chronic disease. Unless you will not follow the lifestyle modification, you cannot take these medications for the lifelong. Partly because of the cost, one, partly because of these long-term side effects which we still don't know, and thirdly, they are expensive also.
Features of insulin resistance that they can process.
Supreme Court में बहुत सारे
Okay, so first 2/3 of the day is over. There are still 2-3 sessions pending, but out of those I'll be attending one which I'm particularly interested in. अभी तक के जितने सेशंस हुए हैं उनमें दो चीज़ें क्लियर हुई हैं. नंबर वन, हमारी कंट्री की हेल्थ कंडीशन बहुत ख़राब है. There are a lot of millions and billions of people who are suffering with blood sugar imbalances, and there are active researches going on that, definitely, but those active researches are on the curative side, not the prevention side. Prevention के लिए, of course, there is lifestyle. Now people are moving into Ozempic, and that brings me to the point number 2. Even if you are somebody who's considering, or you have been told to take GLP-1, or in simple terms Ozempic, it can be a solution, but it won't work unless your lifestyle supports it. The good thing is that now the importance of strength training, the importance of preventive nutrition side of things is catching up. People are taking notice of it, scientific community is taking notice of it, but अभी वो उस लेवल पे नहीं है कि आप डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे और डॉक्टर बोलेगा कि नहीं आपको दवाई नहीं देनी, आप तो पहले अपना खाना ठीक करो. नीचे टी ब्रेक हुआ था एंड सारा जंक ही सर्व हो रहा था. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड वाई. मतलब हमेशा कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में खाली जंक ही सर्व होता है. मिल्क केक था, सैंडविचेस थे, पिज्ज़ा पफ जैसा कुछ छोटा सा था. एंड आई नो होटल्स कैन कस्टमाइज द मेन्यू बिकॉज जब हम लोगों ने गर्ल बॉस वेलनेस रिट्रीट किया था तब आई कस्टमाइज द एंटायर मेन्यू फॉर ऑल ऑफ द फीमेल्स एंड एवरी थिंग वॉज लाइक प्रोटीन पैक्ड, फाइबर पैक्ड, clean ingredients and nothing fried, nothing extra oily, nothing too sweet. In fact, things did not even have sugar. Our desserts were actually made of naturally sweetened ingredients like dates and coconut sugar. So yeah, it is possible, but then I think इतने बड़े स्केल पे वो पता नहीं ये करते होंगे कि नहीं hotels. Anyway, मैंने वो सब नहीं खाया. I came upstairs to have my protein shake and yeah, I will see the sunset because of course वो तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. The one session that I want to attend, I will go attend that and then we'll go off to sleep.
Whenever you are looking at the
So the day has officially ended and here are two of my takeaways, biggest takeaways. Number one, डायबिटीज़ mellitus या जिसको सिंपल टर्म्स में सिर्फ डायबिटीज़ बोलते हैं, इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, ब्लड शुगर इम्बैलेंस, इन सब का रूट कॉज इज एडिपोसिटी एंड हाउ मच weight and fat you carry around your abdominal region. And second, whatever medicine you are taking, lifestyle modifications still are needed to be done. And of course, इसी में ही एक थर्ड पार्ट, Ozempic, which is semaglutide, जो एक्चुअली डायबिटीज़ की दवाई है, that is being used as a weight loss medicine now and it is going to come. I mean, कोई बच नहीं पाएगा इससे. आगे आने वाले टाइम में बॉस डॉक्टर्स भी प्रिस्क्राइब कर रहे होंगे Ozempic फॉर वेट लॉस. बट एज वी हैव स्पोकन टू 2 डॉक्टर्स एंड दे आर ऑल्सो सेइंग द सेम थिंग, लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशंस के बिना Ozempic भी वर्क नहीं करेगा. सो नो मैटर कोई आपको क्या बोलता है, क्या बोल के आपको Ozempic चिपकाता है, बट वेट ट्रेनिंग तब भी करनी पड़ेगी, कार्डियो तब भी करना पड़ेगा, डाइट का ध्यान तब भी रखना पड़ेगा. सो यू मेक योर चॉइस वेदर यू वांट टू बी स्कैर्ड ऑफ मी. नो, but jokes apart, whether you want to take the natural route or you want to take shortcut जो कि वर्क नहीं करेगा विदाउट द लॉन्ग रन. सो देख लो भाई, डिसाइड कर लो. पूरे दिन का मेकअप, खैर मेकअप तो क्या ही था, सनस्क्रीन ही था, बट मस्कारा एंड आईलाइनर इज ऑफ नाउ फाइनली. आई एम रेडी टू स्लीप.
फिर तो आपसे कुछ सीखने के लिए recipe is set for a metabolic quantity or both.
As per your experience, can you just give us 3 quick tips of health, menstrual health, that any woman can apply?
One should get a checkup done, that's one. Number 2 is young girls and all, when there is a problem with the periods and all, either they are having too much or they are not getting it for months, they should go to a doctor and get checked up done, then do their hormonal profile and see to it it is normal. Number 3, the ideal time to get pregnant is between 25 to 35.
And these days there are also a lot of women who are planning to not have a child at all, and that's why they ignore their menstrual health altogether.
Yes, they have to come and get checked up thoroughly. It should not be ignored. Basically, when you aren't married and you don't want to have a child, you ignore it, even if you are working, which is not correct.
What about the kind of exercises?
Any type of exercise can be done, but you can do yoga exercises, that is fine. You can go to the gym and do exercises, and you can reduce weight and you can improve your muscle tone. Eating less, whether you are taking less fatty food, just like you have ghee, you have paranthas, so one should avoid that. I don't say don't eat it, but don't eat too much, and see to it that if you have taken, do exercises so that you reduce weight. That is important.
These last 2 days have been so enriching knowledge wise, and before I end the video, I want to conclude and give you some takeaway messages जो आप आज से ही अप्लाई करना शुरू कर सकते हो. Diabetes, PCOS, insulin resistance, all of these root from one major thing: sedentary lifestyle and bad eating habits. और इनको ठीक करने के लिए जो भी टिप्स मुझे मिले हैं, let's divide them into our equation of body transformation. So, number 1, वर्कआउट. वर्कआउट के लिए सभी डॉक्टर्स आर रिकमेंडिंग वेट ट्रेनिंग, योगा, वॉक, कार्डियो एंड अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दीज. सो अगर आप एक्सक्लूड करते हो कोई भी एक चीज़, it's not going to work. We need all the elements of fitness. Second, diet. Iron deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, and overall eating more of junk food and not eating enough protein are the major causes of blood sugar imbalance, and then it leads to diabetes, PCOS, insulin resistance, so on and so forth. As a female in India, we are 2 to 3 times more likely to be obese as compared to men, and also we need to start identifying people around us and ourselves as obese when we are. Stop saying, oh हम तो healthy हैं. ये काम नहीं करेगा. And third, sleep. Now sleep is very closely linked to all of the hormones and their health. If you are not sleeping properly, आपका cortisol levels बढ़ेगा, your hypothalamus is going to be more tensed, your sympathetic nervous system, which is the flight and fight mode, वो एक्टिव रहेगा, आपका इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ेगा, इंसुलिन सिक्रीशन कम होगा, दैट मीन्स आपका ब्लड शुगर इम्बैलेंस ज़रूर आएगा. उसके अलावा आपका एपेटाइट बढ़ेगा, आपका ब्रेन फंक्शन रिड्यूस होगा, जिसकी वजह से आप और ज़्यादा सेडेंटरी हो जाओगे. एंड स्लीप डिप्रिवेशन इंक्रीजेज द रिस्क ऑफ डायबिटीज बाय 60 to 65%. आई होप यू फाउंड अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू इन दिस वीडियो, एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो, बिकॉज जो भी चीज़ें इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में सामने आई हैं, all of those things have been a part of my content since the time I started creating content. If you have more questions, if you want me to cover specific topics, then let me know in the comments. And yes, I will see you in the next video. And now I will check out. Bye.